Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. When renting or owning a trailer, it's important to know how to secure your trailer when in tow and when not in use. So here at U-Haul, we have all the options that are needed to be able to secure your trailer to protect it from theft when you're storing it in your property or when you're towing it on a long distance trip. Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about our universal coupler lock. Now, our universal coupler lock is perfect for any trailer not in tow and just connects to your coupler to prevent any tow-away theft. Now, this coupler fits any 1 7/8, 2-inch, and 2 5/16 trailer coupler. Now, to use this, we're just going to unlock our hook by using one of our 2 provided keys, and we'll just pull up on it to fully release it. Now we're going to take our universal coupler lock and we're going to take it underneath our unlatched trailer coupler and hook it up and latch it into place. So now that we know that it's on there, we'll take our hook and you'll be able to clamp it down so no one can remove it from your coupler, thus preventing any tow-away theft. And then to remove it, you can just use your key and unlatch the coupler, and then your trailer is ready to be towed again. And then our hook comes with 6 different level positions so it can adapt to various different coupler heights. Next, we have our 1/4 inch coupler lock. Now, a coupler lock just connects to your latch on your trailer coupler, which prevents anyone from opening it up so that they can't hook it up to their own vehicle. Now, to use this, we're going to unlock it with one of our 2 provided keys. Now, this is a threaded lock, so you're just going to turn it counterclockwise until it comes all the way off. And now that it's apart, we'll go to our coupler. We'll put this pin through our coupler and then we'll line them up, and using our threaded key, we'll tighten it up until it's secured. Now that way no one can open up your latch and hook up your trailer. Now, another perk on using this coupler lock is that there's not a lot of room in between here, so that no one can use bolt cutters or anything like that to detach your coupler lock from your trailer. Now, this can also be used while your vehicle and trailer are in tow. You can lock your trailer onto your vehicle so that no one can remove it while you're at any rest stops or anywhere while you're on your trip. And then to remove it, we'll just do the same process and use our threaded lock to take it off. Last, let's look at our stainless coupler lock. Now, this coupler lock can also be used on a trailer coupler with a latch. We'll just remove our lock on the end by using one of the 2 provided keys. And then we'll take our pin, go all the way through the latch, and then lock it into place. Now, it also has a dust cover to protect our keyhole. Now, this can also be used while your vehicle and trailer are in tow, so you can lock it to your vehicle. And this has a 3-inch span, which allows it to fit any coupler latch width. So what makes this coupler lock different from our others is that this is U-Haul specific. This has been made to fit with the new U-Haul drop and tow coupler. Now, this will fit perfectly into that coupler so that you can lock it to your vehicle and no one can remove it. So if you're making a long distance trip and you're going to be staying overnight at some hotels and you want to make sure no one takes your U-Haul trailer during your rental, you can use this coupler lock to be able to prevent any tow-away theft. So between all of these options, at least one of them will help you secure your trailer coupler when and when not in tow. So if you have any questions about these, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, you can visit your closest U-Haul center, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com. Thank you for watching.